Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy drag marble needle nail art design for very short nails. These designs can be done easily at home and you can use a needle or a very fine brush or even a dotting tool to make these designs. For the first design, I applied a very light cream polish on my nails and then I used a deeper glittery violet kind of polish and I made 2 dots and dragged it as shown to make the flowers. Once you are happy with the flower, all you need is a nail polish remover and a cleanup brush to clean up the sides. And when the design dries up completely, remember to apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design, capping off the edges. And your easy flower nail art design is done. This second nail art design is a green swirl nail art design. For this, I applied a deep green polish on my nail. And while the polish is still wet, I used white polish and made 4 lines as shown. And then in between these lines, I used a pistachio green polish and made 4 dots. Then using a needle, I swirled it. And this very easy design is also done. This kind of looks like a green rose to me. When it dries up, apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. This third nail art design is inspired by the fire nail art design, but I am using blue polish also. For this, I applied white polish on my nails and remember to keep it wet. And then I used red, yellow and blue polish as shown. Then you can use a needle or a fine brush and just drag it down like so. And then pull it upwards to make the peaks of the flames. Once you are satisfied with the design, clean up the nails and apply a layer of glossy top coat as usual. And your easy fire inspired nail art design is also done. If you want, you can use a little bit of red polish to pull in the red color downwards as I did. As my thumbnail is very small, I made this kind of feather kind of design on my nail using this gel finish ink polish, and then I used a layer of white polish over it. And while the polish is still wet, I used a needle to make round swirls on the 2 sides of the white line. Keep on swirling till you are satisfied with the design, and then as usual, let the design dry off completely and finish it off by applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. On my little finger, I made this very basic drag marble nail art design. For this, I used a light brown polish and then using a deeper almond kind of polish. And then a silver and a violet polish. I made 3 lines as shown. Then using a fine brush, I dragged it across. And once you get the pattern, again use a cleaner brush to clean off the excess polish and finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. So these are the 5 easy drag marble nail art designs which can be done by anyone without the use of any complicated tools. And I hope you liked all these designs. And do leave a like if you enjoyed watching this video. And thanks for watching.